Everybody, welcome back to Smoke Red Barbecue's YouTube channel. So today we are going to be featuring another product from the Grill Masters Club subscription service. Today we're doing a barbecue side. Who knew that you can make sides for barbecue on the Big Green Egg? Amazing stuff, right? So today we are doing the Jalapeno Garlic Seasoning from Bravado Spice Company. So we'll see how this goes. It's just garlic and jalapeno. Sorry, jalapeno and garlic. And looks to be somewhat mild, so that's a plus. If you don't like spices too much, you can use this and be good to go. And look at that, it's 100% vegan. So if you're into that, you know. Anyway, so what I have right here down here is a hot skillet that has been preheated now for a couple minutes. We're going to be putting some cauliflower rice, or cauliflower we have food processed, into the skillet, and I'm going to grill that on the hot coals, and that's going to be absolutely delicious. And then once that's done, we'll apply the seasoning. Not while it's cooking, because we don't want to burn all this delicious spice from Bravado Spice Company. So we'll go get to it now. While you wait for something to heat up, cool down, I like to grab a cold beverage. It's delicious. Once the beverage is gone, you know your thing's ready to go. Now we have a large bowl of the processed cauliflower rice. I'm not going to use all of this today, but we do have we keep it in the fridge for things like this. And since this is so healthy, I'm going to put the butter on there too. Take it off direct heat, because that is very hot, probably a little too hot if you're just cooking the rice by itself, if you're doing it inside. Just a few minutes, maybe 2, maybe 1. Let's see how she's looking. Burp. Looking very nice. Let's go ahead and close her up. If you're wondering exactly what's all in here, so it is, they say it's going to be zesty, peppery, perfect. They want you to use on grilled chicken, shrimp, and fish. Also to add it to some grilled vegetables like bell pepper, squash, and zucchini. Today we are doing it on cauliflower. Who would have thought? It is big Texas flavor at its finest. Probably good. Since we are done, I'm going to take it off right now. I'm going to add this to it out here. There you go. You can take this inside, do a little taste test in there when it's not on the hot coals. We'll get to it. Alright, I couldn't wait any longer. I'm going to go and dig into this right now. And yes, this is the same plate I used for the butter. Looks delicious. There's still a little steam coming off of it. That's good. It's not too overpowering. Yeah, it adds the subtle flavor which you would you come to expect from a seasoning. I'm going to say buttery taste, but of course, because I added the butter. Very good. And no, I'm not just saying that. Bravado Spice Company, get it via the Grilling Barbecue Club online subscription service. I'll put a link somewhere around here. Who knows where. Very good. Any questions, please let me know. There's a description box down below. Read what's in there. And below that, there's some comments. Comment section. Going to put something else down there too. I prefer it to be nice. If not, I'll probably comment on that as well. I'll reply either way, or delete it. We'll see. Either way, put something down there, and above there, there's probably a like button. Smash that like button. There might even be a subscription button too. Please hit that as well. Till next time, I am Brian from Smoke for Barbecue, and keep barbecuing, America.